Hi, this is Bobby at TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for a main board for Toshiba 55TL515V, or this may have been the smaller model. There are several models that are, the main boards are compatible, I think 55 and 47 maybe. I don't know what this board is from, but it actually says it here, 55TL515U something. This is unique marking on the board that the customer should be able to see, and that's why I'm focusing on it. The reason I'm making this video is the customer is in Canada, and it will be easier to make a functionality proof video showing that the board is working before we send in, rather than if they encounter a problem, convincing them that it is working. If they have a problem on their end, it will be harder to say, yes, I'm sorry, the board is working. And that is it. We will be packaging. This is the USB that was an HDMI no connected power player hanging on top. This is what it's playing currently. And that is all. All 4 HDMI ports are functional. The board is starting. Everything's fine. Thank you very much.